Watch me pretty granddaughter. Come here, Diani. Oh God, me miss you. What you doing? Grandma, I go home. I don't like it here, no. Me was not like it, you know. Church, you not even know. But listen, I want to give a makeover. I think that will make you feel better. What you say? We can go to the salon, do your hair, make you look all pretty. You're already pretty, but you're gonna be even more pretty. Anything or anything, Grandma. I just want the boy the junior for getting payback. You see, oh, your son just like me now. Proud of you. I met no man have you like your idiot, you hear me? Katrina growing in your face, remember that. So, anything you do it for you, not for him. Yeah, Grandma, but at the same time, revenge sounds sweet. Especially for him and that girl there. That's a true thing. But listen, we're gonna just deal with this. Get you some new clothes and you're gonna look like a whole brand new Diana. To how we're gonna match to. Granddaughter, grandmother. Now ask me twice. Come. Wait, no look, girl, you don't even know which part of the place they are run left me.
But watch here, if I crypt keeper herself, she said, 10 here. Which part my money there?
Hey, idiot boy. But they say me I can pay you money. Just wait now. But I want you to do my granddaughter here.
Look here, girl. I want you to give me back my money, you know. Because you know
Alright, listen.
so.
I can pay you today. And I can pay you for do her here, alright? So stop your eyes in my head now. You give me a stress.
Alright then, like what you say, I can pay me back. Come here. Watch her. She pretty. After she not look nothing like you. You sure you're your granddaughter? Come here, pretty girl. Come fix you, make you look all good. But not unlike your granny. Because she a different breed. This me definitely I feel on ya. Watch ya. You're gonna feel like a brand new person. Just watch.
Hey, that boy, stop your chatting and do what you do, man.
I got a supermarket for some products and companies.
Go around half your mouth, man. So take them, look up, do the plot in the head and box you with it.
Baby love.
It looks so good. Thank you so much. Oh my God. It looks so professional. Thank you so much. I love it. You are the best.
You look good girl, me not lie.
Thank you so much.
Make sure you keep it moisturized, you know. Eyelid, conditioner, shampoo with conditioner night. And next week or so you come back, me touch it up a little bit, alright? But please, next time you come, don't bring her with you. Your granny.
Full of chat, you know. Hey boy, I'm not free to get deported, you know.
Anyway, love.
So you love run off your mouth. Come take your money and go and buy your business. Come here, dear. So, which part you want to go buy clothes? It's on me. Well, it's on my man. Come thief him credit card. Don't worry about it, him know it gone. Grandma, you know easy, you know? How I'm tired of fool things say me I got there so I look like some mad girl. Want me for shop at Value Village. I box me one box him Rastone.
Sure, look from when me I call you.
What's your son? You gonna look for me?
Yo, he's in the hobby. Sure, in the kitchen, you know.
We are worried about Shifa. Come on.
Yo, the first time we do it was a mistake, alright? Somebody load it up, okay? I don't want a problem between me and Sherry, alright? Plus, me for go home to my baby mother too. Me don't need no more drama.
Blah 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 blah. Me no care. If she I get you and your baby mother get you, why me can't get you? Everybody has share. Your man and my man and my man and your man too. So me look on it. Wait. Sherry, you can go to shop for me. Me forget to buy some vanilla.
Vanilla? But I thought you buy vanilla the other day. It done already?
Me use it up in all the time I make the cake. Please, Sherry. Please, me get money so you can buy some for yourself.
Alright, I'll go. Sean, I'll be right back. I'm going to the store.
So easy that was. Like 1, 2, 3. Come on, pull out your body.
Sean? Sean, you're really asleep? Wake up, Sean.
Oh, sorry then. Kinda doze off. I'm on tea, Sherry. Calm down, man. Why you look so down and out? I will trouble you.
I'm alright. I'm just kind of upset. Sean fall asleep on me.
I saw them man stay them always tired. Don't worry about it.
I'm soon enough to go home.
Don't worry about it, man.
Tetsuya, did you forget that you're supposed to babysit me? My dad went to work already. You didn't come over to bring me over your house.
Lord God, I told you that. I not even remember. I don't know why this man come sign me up for some babysitting job.
Tetsuya, you don't want to babysit me. I thought you liked me. Why do you hate me? What did I do? You're mean.
Look, girl, no matter when the tears and the tears in the work for me, you think me an idiot?
I apologize, but I'm hungry. Can we have Burger King?
Listen here, we're not having a Burger King. We're have pizza, alright? Cause me can't bother with all of this now, you know. I have stressed me out already.
Only pizza? That's a snack. That's basically a snack. I want more. Can we have Burger King and pizza?
Lord God, here you know. Me stress. Me really stress. Come man. Stay right here, so man, give you something to eat. Well, and later I call a pizza place. Look, girl, wake up. Where you asleep for? No time for no sleep. Come eat food.
I got my driver's license last week, just like we always talked about. And you were excited for me.
Me no want hear no more singing.
La, 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 la. Finished.
So the hell you tell me that for? I call a pizza place so you can shut up. Hello? Can I have a large pepperoni pizza, please? Alright, thank you. Yeah. Same address. Yes, thank you. So long you take the pizza basically free.
Is this a smart TV? Can we watch YouTube videos? Please.
Look, yeah, stop. You're nice in a maid. Alright? Long time I want to see that movie, I know.
Oh my god, can I tell you what happened in school today? This girl in my class, she's so like stupid. Like she was talking to me and I was telling her that I was basically,
Look, girl, me no want to hear that.
but she's so stupid. Like I told her that, and she was like, and I was like, she doesn't listen.
Lord have mercy.
Yum.
Listen, I don't want to hear no more talking, alright?
Do you? Alright.
I will tell your father I come for you.
Do you listen to K-pop music? I love K-pop music. Do you like K-pop music? Kensia?